Hello there, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having a look at two hornpipes, very popular hornpipes. These should be in every traditional musician's repertoire, and they're played widely through most sessions. The first one, the one I just played for you, is Harvest Home, also known as the cork hornpipe, and the second one, which I'll link on screen now, is the Boys of Blue Hill. So what we'll be doing is we'll be breaking down the tune phrase by phrase, and I'll be teaching it to you in this video, the Boys of Blue Hill in the next video, and then we'll have a video for advanced techniques and another one that you can play along with me for. Okay, so let's crack on the Harvest Home. Okay, so our pickup note here is A, F sharp, and then it plays around the arpeggio. So if you know your arpeggio of D, this will be easy for you. D, A, F sharp, A. And it does that twice. Moving on. D, E, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Those two bars together with the pickup. Now, we're returning to A every time in this section. E, A, F sharp, A, G, A, F sharp, A. And then the rundown, E to F, D to B, A to B, A to F sharp. Those two bars together then. It's an E at the end, yeah. And then we're back repeating the first two phrases again. This is still a repeat, and it changes here. It's E, C sharp, E, D, 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 C sharp, D. Let's have the whole of the A part nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. B part, pickup notes are C sharp and D, E long A, F sharp long A, and they're two A's. And that is G A, F sharp A, E A, A, so it's a long A. Those two bars together with pickup. Then we're into a repeated phrase. And the whole of the next line is a repeat. So the B part together. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you should have the tune down by now. So what will happen next is I'm going to play the tune for you nice and slow so you can play along with to make sure that you have it. If there's anything you'd like to see us teach on the channel, please drop us a comment below. Like the video if you like the video, and please give us a subscription. Okay, off we go. The Harvest Home. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great stuff. See you in the next video.